All right, in our first episode abroad of Bruce and Beautiful Properties, I have here my global partner Kyle, who has been with the team for like 5 years. 5 years. So I'm gonna ask him some questions, and of course, I have here also some of the new global partners will also ask questions why this guy like being a global partner. Okay, boss. So, sa haba ng experience mo, boss, last year kasi, nakabenta siya ng mga 75 million for 1 year. 75. But before that, wala siyang benta talaga. So, what did you do, boss?
Meron ka kasi mga prospect clients na yung ginagawa ko siya, parang binabalikan ko na lang siya if may mga constant updates na lang sa mga prospect.
So, the follow-up talaga?
Oh, follow-up. So, that's why yung mga sales ko that time is like, lahat is malaki na ano siya, like,
nagplanting seed ka muna?
Oo, nagplanting seed, tapos bigla siyang, that time kumuha na sila, so parang nangyari, parang na sa that year, lahat ano siya, kaya malaki yung sales ko noon.
How did you plant the seed, boss? For like, kasi every time I ask him, sabi ko, boss, nandyan ka na sa abroad. Bago pa yung global, wala pang global partner ha. Sabi ko, boss, nandyan ka na sa abroad. Why not tap all your friends there? Tapos sabi niya, his line is always, boss, ano yan? Nagplanting seed, anong term mo?
Nag-prospect na ko diri, ana.
Yes, prospecting lang. So, in that way, boss, how hard was it na walang benta for like a year? Tapos, biglang nag-boom, boss?
May commission, char.
Tagalog ka nga.
Walang commission, pero kasi, like, money is not, hindi naman talaga like easy, like sa sales kasi hindi siya tulad na parang easy money, you have to work for it. So for me kasi it's like because alam ko kasi yung market ko, so feeling ko like ito maka-afford, so parang hindi ko siya bibitawan, parang ganon.
Yes,
parang
yes.
Keep in touch, ma-reject ka at first but it's fine kasi hindi naman siya at pag first present mo sa client mo, hindi mo naman siya ma-convince na kumuha agad.
Exactly.
At least she has the idea that the trend of the prices is like this already. So same with my client, like I had a viewing before for Mivesa. She was looking for RFO, but the thing with RFO, like it's very difficult for her to shell out the money.
Correct.
So she told like I will like kukuha na lang siya at like if may pera na siya, but you cannot keep up the prices, the increase of prices of property over time. So that's why when North Grove was presented, which fits with her needs, like environment friendly, healthy lifestyle, like very with yoga area,
Game room.
game room and these things, like you are in the city but it feels like you're in the province. That's why I told her like there's North Grove, which is very okay for you and which is affordable. So that time like kumuha siya. So parang
So this was okay. So na-close yan this month, right?
this month,
November 2024. But how long was it since the first time you talked to her about investing?
last year 2023.
Oh, so 1 year.
Yeah,
1 year
1
talaga.
year.
Grabe, so hindi pala ganun kabilis, no?
Oo, hindi siya like parang
Tapos pinipressure pa kita.
but for me parang ano na lang siya, parang okay, like keep an eye na lang on them, like don't like wag mo lang i-give up na dahil hindi siya kumuha, di mo na siya anuhin, like i-communicate. Actually she is my classmate sa high school, so like the trust is already there. But it's just the fear na parang baka hindi ko kakayanin yung mga
Common. Yan yung mga common fears. Yeah.
But you have to explain it thoroughly para maintindihan nila. Like sometimes there will be confused between like down payment, like I have to pay this month in
Education is very important talaga, boss.
Yeah, so you have to educate them that this will, like if it's pre-selling, it will be like this, the payment will be staggered how many months, whereas RFO it will, like we have to present them the pros and cons of getting, because sometimes they will tell like ito na, like I want to get this RFO, like but they don't know the payment terms of RFO, so
Correct.
you have to inform them thoroughly, like so that they can consider, because people are always after with the like yung ano yung nakita nila. So for example, if nakita nila ito na build kunin na nila agad. So hindi nila nakita yung price difference between pre-selling and yung na-build na project.
So are you saying na yung mga tao na yun na kinontak mo, gusto na nila mag-invest? The
Yeah.
thing is, they don't know how to start.
Yes.
Right? So what did you do, boss, para maging may idea sila konti how the business goes?
How the business goes.
Like do you inform them like hard sell na this is how the equity goes, this is that, or do you just continue posting on Facebook hoping that they will see what you are posting?
It's always posting kasi I don't know who are the people who are interested. So I'll just keep on like to know like my market, like nasa real estate ako. So when they think of property, like okay, contact ka like this. So like as Boston told, it's the branding. So till now, like I have friends like nire-refer na lang nila ako sometimes. Like okay, go to Kyle, like this. So I have already referrals, like several referrals already. And then for it's not hard selling. Like I don't do hard selling because
That's good.
yeah, I don't do hard selling, but instead I'll just present like kung ano yung tama. Tsaka kung because when I sell, I disclose everything.
Very good.
Because it's you should be hands-on. Like for me, for example, I'm working abroad. I have clients like usually the units will be turned over but I'm not there. So what I will do, I will tell my client like, okay, let's do video chat, and then we'll walk through with the turnover. And aside from that, I also assist my clients, like even I'm here for the bank loan with regards to their concern, like for example, the checks were not posted properly, or like there's no deduction with their account. So I immediately email because we are already in the digital world. So parang ano na lang siya, but it's easy for us to communicate to Philippines. So with that, I don't see any hindrance being a global partner.
Okay. Speaking of global partners, may I ask our new partners? Come here, boss. Come here. Okay, so basic questions lang. Come here, dito ka, boss. So this is Boss Julimar. He is our newest global partner. Come, boss. Come closer, boss. Yan. So, he's our newest global partner. He's the brother of Marge, and he has already decided to join the community of, Filipino homes. So, boss, being a newbie, what questions do you have for the tenured and the almost millionaire, almost? Or the millionaire, millionaire na, global partner, the original, the first ever global partner? What are your questions for him?
Like in brief, boss, what can you suggest or what can you impart to newbies like me to be as successful as you are?
I think it's very cliche, but it's common, like don't give up on what you like, kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve, because it depends on the whys. My whys, it's because like I don't like gusto ko mag full-time real estate. Aside, like if you have good work here, it's good also that you have also sideline,
Side hustle.
Side hustle. The correct term. And also like when I shifted job from Philippines to UAE, I don't have I was stagnant for 4 or 6 months. I don't have work. So what I did, I was very dependent of my commissions. So that may help me also to survive, to pay my equity, to pay my insurance.
That at the start before you went here, you already bought properties,
Yes,
diba?
I had already property, like one property, and that was my first sale, which is myself. And then if you have sale, like it's very it will come smoothly, like darating na lang yung mga sales. Like parang hindi mo na mapapansin there are many people who wants to purchase property. So, ano lang talaga, constant posting, but with your market, like your with the people around you, with your friends. I think they're on the stage that looking for properties na. Whereas with my age bracket, like nasa ano pa sila, like parang
22 ka pa, diba?
Really?
Last question.
Last question. What can you suggest or again, for newbies like me, having a problem with or having a problem overcoming shyness, thinking that we don't have like a talent like you.
Very valid question. Give me one sentence na pang closing natin.
I think you have to unleash that one. Like you should be comfortable with your like sa kung ano. If you're uncomfortable, you should be comfortable with that one in the end. Because for me, I don't have also like background about sales. I only know like okay, this is building because I'm a civil engineer by profession. So with sales, like I don't have anything like how to convince people. But ano lang talaga siya, parang you need to be anong tawag nito, parang consistent ka lang talaga sa ginagawa mo and learn from scratch, like listen from the people who is more tenured, like how they do, because it always like we started from zero talaga, like
Yes.
like wala talagang parang okay, like you cannot be like the millionaire if you didn't start from the scratch, right? So parang ano lang talaga, parang huwag ka lang mahiya. Parang if mag-post ka, like if wala siyang like, and
Just
then
put it out there.
Yeah.
No, just put it out there.
before, like I'm very conscious like sa mga likes, ganon. But parang if walang mag-like, then but I know people will see my post. So that's it. Parang ma-anxiety kasi tayo. Parang walang like, baka walang nakapansin, ganon.
Correct. Pero wala,
But
no?
meron talaga.
Meron talaga.
Kasi lalabas yan sa wall. So parang okay. Because how would I know if people like how would I know like why they know like nasa real estate ko? It's because they saw my post.
That's good.
Like wala din akong pake kung paulit-ulit yung mga post ko about real estate, or but you have to balance like okay, like some point hindi benta na naman, like more information like did you know like this, like for
General knowledge.
Yes, general
mga did you know, no?
yes, because it will help them.
Ah,
And also like you have to, sometimes clients also parang oh ganito, bakit 100 years lang yung condo, so you have to also study like why, is it true or it's just like or totoo ba siya o hindi, so you have to study also because sometimes that is the parang sinasabi ng clients na 100 years or 50 years lang yung condo, blah blah blah, ganito ganyan, so parang hindi naman siya totoo actually, so you have lang to inform them, right? In bawal fake news.
Yun. Congratulations. Grabing number one, first global partner natin. And our future top global partner. Alright? That has been our first episode of Bruce and Beautiful Properties. See you in the next episode. Bye!
Pangkat to ha.
Oh.
Pangkat to kay bloopers.